So yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel Experimental Guy Ayush, and yeah, I am back with the videos as my exams are over. So let's go. So guys, for making this heater we need 2 blades, wire and a matchstick. Let's begin. So guys, first of all, take 2 matches and remove the upper part. Now take the blades and fix it in the stick. After fixing the blades on the stick, take the wires and connect it in the blades. And now our heater is ready. Now take a glass filled with water and dip the heater in it and connect it with the plug. So as I will on this switch, you will see the water will start boiling. You can see bubbles are forming and the water is boiled. You can see the smoke coming out from the water, and the color change is due to cations and anions present. So you can see it has become hot. It takes only few seconds to boil the water. So therefore our heater is working properly. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and share to this video.
Yeah.